Ratan Tata Innovation Hub we have created. Hub and spoke model. One is at headquarters Amravati, 5 regional centers. There I want to involve university, academic partner, industry to nurture, venture capital and mentors. Then startup will take place. Now in government, we are having data. All my government is online, real time. There is a data lake. From data lake, I am using AI. Through WhatsApp, I can communicate to the last mile, any citizen, and also functionary. Any person, no need to come to office now. No interface. Everything real time online. All services, around 1,000 services I am providing online. That is the system I have established. Now I brought it aware by using satellite, drone, CCTV camera, IoTs, everything. I am getting real-time data around 45 parameters. Either temperature or humidity or wind quality or wind direction. I can predict pests real time. And also I can use satellite continuously, soil moisture, crop pattern, existing crops, prediction of production, pest, anything. Like there's so many, even fire accident, even forest area I can monitor real time. Who is behind also I can go for investigation real time. Criminal investigation will be done through technology. Then only police will act from there. This is where we are working. Now this 5 spoke model, Ratan Tata Innovation Hubs, I want to bring venture capital. Huge opportunities. If you can come and bring best practices, it will be very easy for me to take off. Otherwise, it will take some time for navigation, but it will happen.